Do you want to learn how to make your own artisan soap at home? Well, it is very easy, and I have a step-by-step guide for you. Your skin deserves to have the best and the healthiest ingredients, and who knows best what your skin needs than you? So why not make your own soap? You can choose the oils and the butters that are fit for your skin, whether it be sensitive, dry, acne prone, or just other skin conditions. You know best what you need. And so why not make your own? There's so much joy and fun in being able to use something that you handcrafted yourself. So I have created a getting started with soap making free guide, which is going to give you a shopping list and all the items that you will need to actually get started. And I also have a free cold process soap making free guide. This guide will give you step-by-step directions on how to make beautiful soap like this for your precious skin. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, check the description below. I promise you there will not be any extra buy here, pay for this. It is literally 2 free guides, and all it requires is your email address. So go ahead, handcrafter, click that link and get started on making the soap. Handcrafted soap for healthy skin.